To have the perfect front, we have the panel, the switch on button that should be cleaned, and the keyboard. You see that doesn't really good looking. So what to do? We take the bowl, put the keyboard there, and add boiled hot water, and we leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes in the hot boiled water, we see how it changed our keyboard. You see, we see like the foil, somewhere and somewhere it's damaged. So actually the secret is in the material, that is the stuff that the keyboard is made on, but this life hack works on SIM covers, for example, as Nokia 3110, the old one, or Banana Nokia 8110, and many other similar keyboards. Same life hack works. So after 5 minutes in boiled hot water, we add some liquid for dishwashing, so actually anti-fat. Also we take the brush, also we can put some liquid on the brush, and now we just start to clean properly, long and good. You can also help with your nails, and you see that this foil comes away, and we see the white symbols. So now we will continue. And so after we wash it properly, you see as new buttons. Of course, if you're an idealist, you can also clean also these sides, but actually that pays no attention, as just this only the old rubber that actually plays a role, and you'll never see what's inside. But if you are an idealist, actually, to be honest, on some of my models that I had no keyboard at all, but it was so perfect, I really cleaned it till the very end. So if you really need it, you can do it also. So here, as you see, that was the way to turn your old keyboard on Nokia 6150 to a new one. This also life hack works, for example, on Nokia 3110 or on Banana 8110 or similar phones.